Struggling to satisfy those sweet cravings with something that's creamy, delicious, high protein, and totally dairy-free? I've got you covered. As a health coach, one of the biggest shifts that I've made to help me become leaner, stronger, more energized, and something that I've been helping my clients to do as well, is cutting out poor quality dairy. Most people don't realize is that conventional dairy is actually not a healthy option at all. Conventional dairy is highly processed, it's loaded with hormones, and the animals used for those dairy products are often fed a very high-fat, unhealthy diet, and they themselves are not healthy. So the quality of nutrition that you end up getting is severely compromised. This is also what makes conventional dairy highly inflammatory. So you can only imagine the havoc that it's going to wreak on your gut, your hormones, leaving you with bloat, gas, skin breakouts, low energy, you name it. And above all, when your body is inflamed in this way, it's gonna make it so much harder to lose fat, to be strong, lean, and feeling your best. Now, the good news is that all of this doesn't mean that you have to give up eating delicious, sweet treats that you love. It's just about learning how to prepare them in a healthier, smarter way. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to make one of my favorites, which is a dairy-free banana protein ice cream. Perfect for those warmer seasons or just whenever you want a sweet treat and you're craving some ice cream. It's actually a well-balanced snack. I'm gonna show you a method on how to put it all together in a way that tastes delicious without the stress on your gut or your hormones. It's naturally sweet, packed with protein to keep those blood sugar levels happy, and comes together in just a few minutes, all using just your Vitamix blender. You could probably also do this using the Ninja Creami too if you're on that trend. So let's get into it. Let's make a healthy and delicious dessert, banana protein ice cream. It's creamy, naturally sweet, and only needs a few simple ingredients. You'll need some frozen bananas, a splash of almond milk or any unsweetened dairy milk of your choice, protein powder, vanilla extract, and a pinch of sea salt. You can also add any toppings that you like. This recipe also works best when using a high-speed blender and a tamper. It's also the perfect way to use up overly ripe bananas. Simply peel them, pop them into a freezer-safe bag, and freeze for at least 2 hours or overnight. When you're ready to enjoy this treat, start by adding your frozen bananas to the Vitamix, followed by the almond milk, protein powder, vanilla, and salt. The bananas should be frozen solid to get that creamy ice cream texture. Start by blending on low speed, gradually increasing the speed to high. Use the tamper to press down the bananas as they blend. This is going to help everything mix smoothly without needing too much liquid. And if it's too thick, you can add a little bit more almond milk, but be careful to not add too much, otherwise it'll become soupy. Once it's thick and creamy, scoop your ice cream into a bowl. For toppings, you can add dark chocolate, nuts, fresh fruit. Here I'm doing some cacao nibs and unsweetened peanut butter. And that is it. Banana protein ice cream in just minutes. It's a guilt-free treat that's high in protein, and it's gonna keep you satisfied, nourished, and balanced. I'm so excited for you to try this and let me know what you think. Around here, we're all about sustainable habits and building a balanced life that you love. So something as simple as this banana protein ice cream is just one way among so many others on how you can integrate the things that you love, bits of joy in life, allows you to heal, nourish, and love your body from the inside out, feel amazing in your skin. I'd love to know, what are some of your favorite healthy desserts when you're craving something sweet? Drop it down in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more recipes and tips like this. See you next time.